In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make automations with Brevo. We are going to build a simple, reliable automation that sends an email as soon as a contact is added to a specific list. This is a great starting point because it is easy to test, and it matches many real workflows like welcoming new subscribers or sending a resource after someone signs up. First, look at the left sidebar in Brevo and click Automations. This section is where you create and manage workflows, and it helps you connect actions like sending an email to real events like a new contact joining a list. Next, go to the top right and click Create an Automation. This opens the setup flow where you decide how your automation will begin. When you see the options for templates or pre-built scenarios, click Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch keeps things simple and helps you understand the structure, which is always trigger first, then actions. Now you will add the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Add a Trigger, then select the event, Contact Added to a List. This means the automation will run only when someone gets added to the list you choose. Take a moment to confirm you are using the correct list, because the automation will only react to contacts entering that list, not to contacts in your account in general. After the trigger is in place, you will add what happens next. Click the plus icon to add a step, and select Send an Email. This is the action step. It is the part that delivers your message automatically, without you needing to send anything manually each time. Then choose your email template. Pick a template that fits your goal, and make sure the content is ready for new contacts. A helpful tip is to keep the subject line clear and the message short, especially for a first email. When you are satisfied, click Save. Finally, activate the automation. Look for the option to activate automations and turn it on so it can start running. If it is not activated, it will stay in draft mode and no emails will be sent. That covers everything you need to know.